Samsung and LG Electronics announced their operating profits for the third quarter of the year. The nation's biggest tech giant smashed its record for the highest profit in a single quarter. Hong Yu breaks down the digits for us.
Samsung Electronics has made a record profit for this year's third quarter. On Friday, it announced that it has made more than $15 billion of operating profits, surpassing its previous quarterly record of around $13 billion, set in the first quarter of this year. The third quarter operating profits are 20.4% higher than over the same period last year, and up by almost 18% from the figures for the second quarter of 2018. The reported profit is seen as an earnings surprise that is well above analyst expectations. It largely came from strong semiconductor sales, but some analysts expect a drop in profits in the future.
At this point, I think they can expect a similar good outcome for the fourth quarter. But the unit price of semiconductors is expected to fall as time goes on, and Chinese companies also have competitive technology along with competitive prices. So I expect a trend where profits from semiconductors slowly decrease.
On the same day, LG Electronics also announced its third quarter operating profit. The firm made about $659 million over the past 3 months. The third quarter profits are 44.4% higher than for the same period last year, but are down by 3.3% from the figures for the second quarter of 2018. Analysts did not expect such a decrease, having predicted LG Electronics to make around $690 million of operating profits. The weak exchange rates of emerging economies, including Turkey, and continued slump in the smartphone business were cited as the factors behind the fall compared to the previous quarter. Hong Yu, Arirang News.